Dr. Vinay.
Sorry.
Uh,
Dr. Kalpana, number 4.
Dr. Kalpana is there? Yeah. Dr. Kalpana?
Dr. Kalpana, yeah, he's online.
Please speak out. Dr. Kalpana.
His network got stuck. She's online, but
She's visible, yeah.
Visible but freeze, I think.
yes.
Yes, looks like. Call her, give her a call. She might, I don't know.
Okay. And then Dr. Ronak, that is number 5.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Dr. Dinesh, that is number 6. Dr. Chandramouli, 7.
Okay.
Dr. Chandramouli are online? Dr. Chandramouli? Dr. Cherian?
Yes.
8. Dr. Mayur Dhaja?
Yes.
9. So Dr. Chandramouli and
Dr. Kalpana.
Kalpana.
Ring them once. If they respond, well and fine. Otherwise, we have to proceed with the rest 5 or rest 7.
Hello, I'm here, ma'am.
Oh, he's here.
Yeah.
So,
Chandramouli is here. Right.
Dr.
good.
Kalpana.
Yeah.
Those who are participant, open your camera, please. All right. So Dr. Kalpana has also joined. Dr. Kalpana, can you hear me? Open your camera, please.
Dr. Yes, he's joining.
Everyone, please start your camera.
Okay. So all have joined.
Yes,
All
sir.
have joined. Okay, right. So we will be throwing again one question to you. The same format of reading out questions A, B, C, D, or sometimes E. Choose the best answer, but this time you will also get 30 seconds, Dr. Shamili, or you want to reduce further?
No, 30 seconds is all right.
Okay.
30 seconds.
But the biggest catch is that for wrong answer, you will get -5. Okay. And in 30 seconds, whatever the first answer you choose. So say it loudly once and for all. If you say A and at the end of 10 seconds, you say, now I want to change to B. No, you just think carefully and give only one answer. The first answer you give, even if it may be knee-jerk reaction, will be recorded.
Yeah, so
right.
if once you have answered, that will be frozen. Even if it is less than within 30 seconds, your answer will be frozen. We will not wait till 30 seconds, right?
All right.
So, whatever first comes will be frozen, and that will be treated as your response. So,
everyone is clear?
All good to go? Okay.
So should I start, Dr. Sharmili?
Yes, please. Yeah.
So who is contestant number 1?
Yeah, it's me, sir. Srinivas.
Dr. Srinivas.
Okay, so here is your question. Following drugs can cause QT prolongation except amiodarone, amitriptyline, ondansetron, haloperidol, olanzapine. Your time starts now. Timer, please.
I'll go with the yes, sir. Amiodarone.
Okay, so he has given answer of amiodarone, and unfortunately, it is -5. It is wrong answer.
See.
So that's fine. Yes, you are right. It's a C, right? Fine. So contestant number 2. Who is this? Dr. Avinash?
Dr. Sabris.
Dr. Shabris, you are there?
I am Dr. Sabris.
Okay. So you're ready? You're ready, Dr.
Yes,
Shabris?
sir.
Okay. Here is a question
Yes,
for
sir.
you.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Which of the following drugs is not suitable for administration via endotracheal tube during CPR? Epinephrine, naloxone, atropine, soda bicarb, lidocaine. Your time starts now.
I will go with answer B, naloxone.
So you have said naloxone. Unfortunately, it is also a wrong answer. So I'm sorry, it's not the correct one. That's fine. So contestant number 3,
Yes, sir. Raghav Gupta.
are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Here is a question for you. Each of the following characteristically causes a depressed mixed venous oxygen saturation except low cardiac output, anemia, arterial hypoxemia, early sepsis, or agitation.
So
10
my
seconds
answer,
left.
answer is D, early sepsis.
So you said answer is D, early sepsis, and congratulations, it is a correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
So good one.
Thank you.
Who is contestant number 4?
So how much marks? 10.
Plus 10. Plus 10.
Next is Kalpana Maji.
Yes, sir.
4.
Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm just stopping the sharing. It's stuck up. Okay, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So here is the question. You have completed first 2 minutes of CPR. After 2 minutes, if we see an organized regular rhythm on ECG monitor, which is there with heart rate of 50 per minute, 50 per minute, what would be the next intervention? A, give atropine 0.5, B, give atropine 1 milligram, C, start transcutaneous spacing, D, perform a pulse check, and E, do cardioversion. Your time starts now.
Sir, D, perform a pulse check.
So your answer is D, perform a pulse check, and it is actually a correct answer. So 10 marks for you.
Thank you,
The
sir.
next
All
candidate
right.
is Dr.
Yes,
Ronak.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Ronak,
Yes, sir.
you're ready?
Yes, sir.
So here is your question. The value of BNP with more than 90% positive and negative predictive value cutoff for diagnosing heart failure are A, BNP more than 400 picogram per ml and less than 200 picogram per ml. B, BNP more than 500 and less than 100. C, BNP more than 500 less than 100 nanogram per ml. D, BNP more than 900 nanogram and less than 500 nanogram. And E, BNP more than 500 nanogram and less than 100 picogram. Your time starts now.
C, BNP more than 100 nanogram per ml and less than 100 nanogram per ml. C.
Is this your final answer? But because I cannot anyway extend it, but unfortunately it is a wrong answer. So I'm sorry, you will get -5. Right. So Dr. Sharmili, you can proceed for further 4 questions.
Okay, I'll share. So who is the next candidate?
Next candidate is Dinesh Gontla.
So Dr. Dinesh, here is your question regarding immunonutrition. Glutamine supplement has proven role in enhancing immunity and nutrition status in post-operative GI surgery cases. Option B is arginine has shown proven mortality benefit. Fish oil supplements are recommended in ARDS cases. Option D is trace elements and micronutrients are recommended to be supplemented in TPN, total parental nutrition cases. So consider this as A, B, C, and D. So which is the best statement? Time has started here. 20 seconds.
Dr. Dinesh, are you there?
Dr. Dinesh?
It is corrected.
Doesn't matter.
Answer?
So we'll go to next. First of all, let us confirm whether he is there or not. He or she
Okay.
is there.
Okay.
So
Time
who is
is
the
up.
next?
So will be considered absent. Dr.
Yeah.
Dinesh is considered absent. So next candidate can take this. Who is
Chandramali.
Dr.
No, no,
who is
no,
the
no,
next
no, no,
candidate?
no. Next question we'll have to go.
No. We can give him this question. Or
Actually, it will be
you
too
want to
much
go for
time.
it?
Yeah, no, it will be too much time.
Okay, okay, fine. Who is the next candidate?
Dr.
We have to make
Chandramali. Are you here?
You're there? You show up first, then we'll project your question.
Yeah.
Okay, Chandramouli is there. Good. So here is your question, Dr. Chandramouli. So regarding
no.
temperature,
Yeah.
Continue.
Yeah, go ahead,
Yeah.
please, Dr. Shah.
regarding temperature management in traumatic brain injuries, what is the best statement? Option A, mild to moderate hypothermia has proven outcome benefit in management of TBI cases. Option B, avoid hyperthermia is the best approach. Option C, procalcitonin has a definite role in excluding bacterial infection in postoperative neurosurgery cases with fever. Option D, paracetamol with non-steroidal agents should be used to treat neurogenic fever. So what is the best statement? Your time starts now.
Answer B, ma'am. Avoid hyperthermia is best approach. Answer B.
Okay, so you have said that to avoid hypothermia is the best approach and that is the correct response. So Dr. Chandramouli gets 10 marks.
Okay.
Good.
So next
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
Dr.
Next
Cherian
candidate,
Roy.
Dr.
Cherian
Cherian.
Roy.
Is he there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So here is your question, Dr. Cherian. Prophylactic antibiotics for surgeries. What is the best statement? Should be given for first 48 hours, to be continued for 7 days, to be continued for 5 days, or should be given till discharge?
Option A for first 48 hours.
Okay. So that was a prompt response and that's the correct response.
Next.
Next is Dr. Mayur Dhwaja.
Dr. Mayurdhaj, is he there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here is your question. Procalcitonin, best for diagnosis of bacterial infections and de-escalation. Option B, it is best recommended for de-escalation. Option C is superior to C-reactive protein in diagnosing bacterial infections. Option D, daily procalcitonin is recommended.
Ma'am, option B, best for de-escalation.
Okay, so you have gone for option D, that is best for de-escalation, and that is the correct response. So congratulations, you get a plus 10 marks.
Thank you.
I think you're done with all candidates, 9 of them.
Yes, ma'am.
Or
So
one more is there.
Show us the short scorecard, please.
For the
Yes,
show.
sir.
Okay, so by and large, out of 9, 5 have qualified for further rounds. So first 3 who had scored 20 in first 2 rounds, and those who have scored plus 10, those 5, Dr. Raghav, Dr. Kalpana, Dr. Chandramouli, Dr. Cherian, and Dr. Mayur Dhwaj. All 3 plus 5 will be entering into finals. So
Okay.
big round of applause for all
Yeah,
of
I
you.
think this were very good admixture of cases, simple to spanning from simple to very complicated, lengthy clinical scenarios. Nevertheless, I think all have done well. And those who will be not moving to final, still thank you for
Please be
participating.
there.
That's the spirit
Please.
matters. Yeah,
Plus be there. Okay.
true. Okay.
So Avinash, now those 8 people you have to renumber.
Yes, sir. I'm just doing that, rescheduling that.
Meanwhile, let me give rules and regulations. Let me tell you. Now this round consists of images. There might be one image, there might be 2 images. Irrespective of that, there will be 2 questions of each candidate, right? Please be careful and listen carefully. You need to answer both the questions correct. Okay. Now, if you cannot give any answer, that is 0 marks. If you give one question, one answer out of these 2, but second you don't give answer or you're wrong, you still get 0 marks. But if you're wrong, then there will be -5. So +10 for both correct answers and -5 for incorrect answers. And if you do not answer that question, you can say pass. Right? This is a relative round. So if you don't know, just don't try to attempt. Otherwise, there will be negative marking. Now that question will be passed to candidate next in line, and they can answer, and they will also get, if they can also say pass, or the same rules apply to them, +10 or -5, half. If the candidate, first candidate give half the answer, then those questions will not be passed to further candidate because half answer is already there. You are getting all points correct? You understood? Or is there any confusion? You can ask. So
Sir, can you repeat, sir, once more?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Suppose one question I have thrown to candidate, right? Unfortunately, there cannot be buzzer round in here. Otherwise, we would like for it. But I will ask, or any of us will ask, suppose candidate number 1. One question will have either one image or 2 images, but 2 questions. So if you give correct answer to both the questions, you will get +10. You will get one correct answer and one incorrect answer, or don't give answer, you get 0. If you don't answer, you get 0. But if you say wrong answer, that is, you start from first one wrong answer, you will get -5. So those who do not answer or cannot answer, that question will be passed to candidate number 2. And the same rules apply there. So if you don't know the answer, don't say. Otherwise, you can get negative marks. You can easily pass. Let other people face the music and go for negative markings. It is optional to accept the question, or you can pass. But pass is double.
Is there any time limit?
30 seconds, same.
Okay.
Or you feel that 30 seconds is more, we can always cut down. So 30 seconds should be good enough. So think first. Again, the first answer, whatever you give, will be frozen. There won't be, we won't allow second answer. Okay, nahi, ye hai, nahi, wo nahi chalega. So think and then answer. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
if one part of the question can't answer, then we can pass on that part of question.
Second part, if you don't know,
Hmm.
then you can say that I don't know the second part. So you won't get negative, but you won't get positive also.
Yes, sir.
So better not answer the question. If you do not know both the parts, then
Yes,
better
ma'am.
not answer.
Yes,
Because you're not getting any marks anyway, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Half attempting will not give you any marks, and rather, burden increase the number of rounds also.
Okay.
You can answer. If you know anything, you answer. If you're
Yes,
right and wrong, we'll decide. But if you know half and you do not know the other half, better not answer because it will not help anybody, right?
Yes.
It will not even help the other person also, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So everyone is ready?
Yes, sir.
So all are
Dr.
here.
Ritesh, just one more, just 30 seconds, sir.
Yeah.
Should I cross check also, sir?
Yes, we will be telling you what you want to cross check actually.
And all are here, no? All 8.
Please check.
Okay. Dr. Vinay. Dr. Vinay.
I'm there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dr. Abhimanyu.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Aparna.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Raghav.
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Dr. Kapna.
Yes, I'm there.
Dr. Chandramauli.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Dr. Cherian.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Mayur Dhawaj.
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. All are here.
So Avinash, let us know when to start. You have renumbered them?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes,
Everyone
ma'am.
ready? Avinash?
Yes, sir.
So Dr. Ritesh will start.
You can start.
Avinash, everyone is ready?
Yes, sir. All are here.
All finalists are there with the
Yes,
camera
ma'am.
on?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay. So we'll start.
So should we go for it?
Yes, sir.
Dr. Sharmili? So candidate number you have numbered actually?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just telling
Okay.
it.
Okay. Okay,
So
let's go
participant-
for final round. Who is candidate number 1?
Dr. Vinay.
You are there? Dr.
Yes, sir.
Vinay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There.
So Dr. Vinay. So best
Yes, ma'am.
wishes to all the finalists. So here we start the first part of the final round.
Yeah.
Question for you, Dr. Vinay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here is the question. A patient of acute respiratory infection with severe hypoxia was intubated in the emergency department and was transported to ICU on vein circuit by paramedics after a HRCT was done. Chest. In ICU, patient had a cardiac arrest and monitored showed
PEA.
PEA, that is pulseless
Yes.
electrical activity. Huh.
Yes.
So what is the diagnosis and what is the management? Here is the chest X-ray.
Diagnosis is pneumothorax.
Ah.
And management is going by ABCA is already secured. So first I will then I will do for ventilation I will do a tube thoracostomy, needle thoracostomy followed by a tube thoracostomy, ICD placement, and yeah, ma'am. Then
Okay.
and the CPR will come. And
Say that
CPR
again?
according. Hello,
So what will you do first, management?
ma'am. A is already secured. Yeah, initiate with CPR, then needle thoracostomy followed by tube thoracostomy.
Okay. So this is a pneumothorax and you'll go for a thoracostomy. That's the correct response. So he gets plus 10 marks, right?
Okay.
Okay, good. So
Timer.
next candidate is Dr.
Next is Dr. Abhimanyu Kalita.
Dr. Abhimanyu. Okay, be ready for your.
Thank you. Yes,
Team, ready with timer.
So this is an ECG, Dr. Abhimanyu. This
Yes,
is the card. What is the cardinal ECG sign? What could be the possible etiology?
Time starts now.
Timer is on.
Last 8 seconds.
Pass, ma'am.
Okay. So candidate
Yeah.
number 3.
Use.
Number 3, Aparna Sahu.
Dr. Aparna Sahu.
You would like to take up the question? Dr. Aparna?
Yes, sir.
What is the cardinal ECG sign? What could be the etiology?
Inferior wall MI.
Okay. And etiology? To answer
Etiology,
both parts.
myocardial infarction.
This is a myocardial infarction. What could be the etiology? What is the cardinal ECG sign for you have to say?
The time is up actually.
ST depression in 1, 2, and AVF, and ST elevation in AVR.
Time is up actually. Dr. Ritesh, time is up, right?
Yeah,
I
time
cannot
is
see the-
up now. We
Okay.
cannot consider answer.
So I think that will be considered as
0 marks.
0. For both
No.
or single, na?
no, not 0. I think she will get negative. Or
The answer, I think.
what do you-
What she said? Hello?
he said infection, inferior wall
No, that's wrong. 0 mark for candidate who passed actually. Right? 0
But-
marks for candidate who had passed and Dr. Aparna had taken up. For her, it is -5.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying for
Yeah.
Dr. Aparna.
So 10, 0 and -5 for candidate number 2 and 3. All right.
Yes, right. Because the cardinal sign here is the ST elevation in the AVR and it is left main stem STEMI,
Yeah.
not
It
inferior
is
wall MI.
peculiar ECG.
This. So here we are showing the answers because these are the final rounds and you're all here for educative purposes. So we go to the next question,
Mm,
right?
Now, the next question would be to Dr. Aparna only.
yes.
Dr. Aparna.
Yeah.
Okay. You have still good chance, Dr. Aparna. Done well otherwise before. Good. So the next question for you, Dr. Aparna. So what is the name of this monitor? What does it measure? Time starts now.
Ma'am,
You are muted.
monitor.
We didn't hear you. We couldn't hear you.
What is the name of this monitor? What does it measure?
Cardiac output monitor for hemodynamic monitoring.
What does it measure? Hemodynamic monitoring, yes. Be more
To
specific.
measure cardiac output, BP, systemic vascular resistance, heart rate, and hemodynamics monitoring.
Yeah, I think she gets correct. She get the correct answer. She gets +10 for this response.
No. See, the answer we look for is LIDCO specifically for that, right?
But I think
So if she
We
has
can-
said cardiac output, it is just one part of the answer.
just a moment.
Just stay there, please.
So Dr. Aparna, we want to actually give you one more chance. I mean, some chance because there is this picture is little blurred. So can you tell us a little bit more like in a state of low cardiac output, what will be systemic venous resistance, what will be cardiac index, and what will be the blood pressure?
So with this monitor, how do you arrive to conclusion that patient is having, kind of maybe say, how will you differentiate shock, cardiogenic versus septic? I think that would be a proper one.
Sir, in cardiogenic shock, the systemic vascular resistance will be high, and in septic shock also systemic vascular resistance will be high, but in BP it will be shifted towards the right in septic shock and towards the left in the cardiogenic shock. The point which it has been marked in the circle, like in pink circle, the dot has been given, it will be shifted toward the right or left. Accordingly, we will distinguish about.
So we want parameters. You said
Yes.
SVR. Anything else to look for?
Sir, we will look for systemic vascular resistance, and here cardiac index we will check. Cardiac index will be low in cardiogenic shock and it will be high in septic shock.
Okay. So you said SVR will be high in both.
Yes, sir. In this septic shock, it will be high, and cardiogenic, it will be low.
Yeah, Dr. Sharmili, what do you want to do?
So what happens to systemic vascular resistance in septic shock?
She already said twice that it will go up.
Okay, I think we'll go to another question. This is a little bit, actually we are stuck here. Half response is satisfactory, half is not. So we'll give you another question, Dr. Aparna.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to be a bit more specific, right?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that you do not end up in this, right? It's okay. You've attempted well. Yeah. So next question for you, Dr. Aparna.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are parts of a machine which is shown to be a lifesaver during COVID pandemic. I repeat, these are part of a machine which is shown to be lifesaver during pandemic. What is the machine?
And the parts.
It is a part of ECMO machine. This one is the centrifugal pump where blood is circulated through the pump.
What is the left side of the image and what is the right side of the image? Oh,
It's shown, sir.
it's already shown somehow, Dr. Sharmili.
No. She told ECMO. That's what, but she has to name the parts, no? I have not shown with the name. Parts are not shown.
Okay.
Not shown.
Sir. First diagram is the impeller. Sir, I will pass on. Actually, left ventricular assist device. This one is the left.
Oh.
Timer.
The time up, I think you
This
have.
time is already up and there are too many answers, Dr. Sharmili.
So what was your first answer, Dr. Aparna?
Ma'am, part of a centrifugal pump of the ECMO machine.
Okay, I think we'll give her marks for that.
No, there is 0 mark because there is no negative marking. That is the thing. See, you cannot have 3, 4, 5 answers of the same.
But what you should, that's why we say that you stick to the first answer.
Yeah.
She should get 0. Dr. Sharmili, Dr. Ritesh.
It is 0, sir. It is 0.
Frequently
No
changing
doubt about
her
it.
answer. So she should get
So
a
let
0.
us go ahead with the next candidate.
Yes. Okay. I think we again appeal to the candidates, just think and give one answer rather than throwing, because the first answer will be taken up and we'll stop thereafter. We'll not ask you cross questions because the time is short. And this way we actually were wasting the number of questions will be also more. Right? So you'll get 0, Dr. Aparna. Next candidate.
Next is Raghav Gupta. Let me get
Dr. Raghav Gupta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You're here, Dr. Raghav?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Okay.
Identify the device.
Your time starts now. And the importance of the function. I mean, how does it function?
So pass.
Okay, who is the next candidate?
Next is Kalpana Maji.
Dr. Kalpana, you want to attempt?
Pass. Pass, ma'am.
Next is Chandramouli.
Dr. Chandramouli?
Pass. Pass.
Next is Dr.
Pass.
Cherian.
I think we can wait. I mean, we can, Dr. Cherian, you,
It's a left ventricular assist device.
Used for?
Biventricular failure, sir.
Dr. Shamili, check out the correct answer.
it is correct.
So plus 10 for Dr.
Dr.
Cherian,
Cherian.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah, good one.
Pass marks plus 10.
plus 10.
10.
Yeah.
Cherian Roy.
Well done,
Yeah.
Dr. Cherian. Yeah. So the next subsequent questions, Dr. Ritesh will
Kalpana.
project.
Dr.
Yeah.
Kalpana Maji.
Okay.
That is for Dr. Kalpana Maji. I'm stopping
Yeah,
sharing.
yeah.
Dr. Ritesh
Sure,
will
sure.
take over now. Okay.
Who is next one you said?
Kalpana Maji, contestant
Kalpana.
number 5.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So here is a question for you. Oh, I'm sorry.
Ritesh, should I post? Should I post the images I have in my PowerPoint? Should I
हाँ
post?
तो हाँ आप पोस्ट कर लो.
आप post कर लो, ये पूछ लो. हाँ, ठीक है.
How many left actually?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
4. Okay. Whose background noise is coming actually?
Should we use this diagram or should we skip because what do you think?
Skip it. It's already actually, unfortunately I projected the Word file.
Put it on power slide, power from
Okay, okay. Don't
light mode because next picture is visible.
Okay. Next candidate.
Dr.
Either what
Kalpana.
is this image about, and if anyone used to wear this, what would he or she be called? Who is the candidate?
Sir,
Dr.
me.
Kalpana.
Yeah, so your time starts now.
Timer.
Pass, sir. Pass.
Next candidate.
Next candidate is Dr. Chandramouli.
Pass, sir.
Next is
Next.
Dr. Cherian.
Pass, sir.
Next is
Next.
Dr. Mayur Dhavaja.
Pass, sir.
Next.
Next is Dr. Vinay.
Pass, sir, pass.
Dr.
Next.
Abhimanyu.
No one?
Hello. Yes.
Dr. Abhimanyu.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, this was a mask. It was worn by doctors during the bubonic plague era.
Fantastic answer. Fantastic answer.
Given by who?
But what would he or she be called? Which era you said?
The bubonic plague era, 16th
Yeah.
century. Yeah.
Right. That is true. I think that's good enough. 2 answers. That is clubbed in one. So I would give definitely plus 10 for you, Dr. Abhimanyu. Great round of applause.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Next is Dr.
Who is the candidate?
Dr. Chandramouli. Participant number 6.
Sir.
So question for Dr. Chandramouli. Next image.
Identify the image and its importance to our medical fraternity.
Pass, sir.
Next.
Next is Dr. Cherian.
Pass, sir.
Dr. Mayur Dhavaja.
Pass, sir.
Dr. Vinay.
Pass, sir.
Dr. Abhimanyu,
Pass.
Dr. Aparna,
Pass, sir.
Dr. Raghav,
Sir, it is the Hippocratic Oath image. It is for the professional conduct of the doctors, sir.
Fantastic answer. I think great. You get +10. It's a fragment from original Hippocratic Oath. Okay, and we know it's our day-to-day life importance, right?
Right.
So
Doctor,
next,
Chandramouli,
who is next?
Dr. Chandramouli,
Okay.
identify the image and the person. I request all of you, please keep your camera on, please. Keep your camera on, otherwise you'll be disqualified. I know there is Google Lens going on. It's very easy to capture the image. Keep all cameras open.
Pass, sir.
Next,
Dr. Cherian,
Pass, sir.
Dr. Mayur Dhwaj,
Pass, sir.
Dr. Abhimanyu,
It was the first pulse oximeter used.
okay. Inventor of the machine.
Sir, pass.
Okay, so you get actually 0 mark and we cannot pass further. Fortunately, you are right. This is a first pulse oximeter. All of us, we need to understand our history, how that, routinely helped us. Okay. Who is next?
Dr. Cherian.
I think that is the next. Everyone has got through one chance, right?
One chance is gone. Done?
Yeah.
Dr.
Yeah, I
Cherian
think we
and
can
Dr.
see.
Mayur Dhwaj.
Doctor,
Dr. Cherian and Dr. Mayur Dhwaj.
Both
they have
are
not
left?
got
हाँ.
the left.
No,
How
but
come?
ये अच्छा एक ही बाकी होगा यार. दो
हाँ,
कैसे?
कैसे?
क्योंकि
There are
इसमें से
8 people.
एक इमेज मैंने स्किप किया है.
हाँ.
तो 3 तो इमेज हो गए ना.
नहीं,
तो 5 plus 3.
one we skipped, one we repeated
Okay,
for Dr.
okay,
Aparna. Actually, we had to
no, no,
repeat
no.
another.
Okay,
हाँ.
got it, got it.
But then
got
still
it.
8 people should have been covered, no?
Actually, I think Dr. Chandramouli has given two, like last one and this one.
Dr. Chandramouli had his turn, isn't it? He
Yes,
had
ma'am.
his turn.
I think he's having 2 times done. Dr.
Oh,
Chandramouli.
how could this happen, Avinash?
This is you should have.
Yeah. Sorry.
But he did not answer, I think.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I
yes,
skipped,
given.
ma'am.
Yeah.
I skipped,
I
but
skipped,
see,
I skipped.
that's one.
Yeah,
one
yeah.
more question
He
for us.
passed. He
He
passed. That's
passed. He
why.
passed.
So now you project the scorecard. I think all had.
No,
all,
one.
No, no, no.
No, no,
no,
no, no,
okay.
no.
Give us.
Primary question, all have to be covered. So I think 2 more left, right?
Yes, sir.
So who is the
Dr.
next one?
Dr. Ritesh will just speak for a while. I'm just stopping.
Yeah. Okay, who is the next one? Avinash?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Who is the next one?
So, Dr. Cherian, actually what happened, Chandramouli has got 2 questions.
I got it.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have 2 more candidate to go for the primary question, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So
No
next
problem.
is Dr. Cherian.
Dr. Cherian. So,
Yes.
okay, I'll just a minute. I'll just share.
Yes.
Dr. Cherian, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Here is your question. Interpret the image and tell us the diagnosis and name of the sign. Matlab 2 questions. Tell us the diagnosis and name of the sign. Your time starts now. Where is the timer?
It's going on, sir.
Okay. Dr. Cherian?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's a technique of measuring IVC distensibility with the respiratory variation.
Actually, it's a wrong answer and you get -5 for that. So next, who is the next candidate?
Last candidate, Dr. Mayur Dhwaja Rath.
Now, Dr. Mayur Dhwaj, you can take up the question if you want.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is a lungs ultrasound showing C source sign, diagnosing pneumothorax, sir.
Actually, you are wrong. You also get -5. Who is next?
So this is a pass. Dr. Vinay.
Dr. Veena, you are pass. Next.
Dr. Vimanyu.
Dr. Vimanyu.
Yeah, sir. This is an image of lung ultrasound. Yes, sir. It's showing pneumothorax. It is a stratosphere sign.
Actually, you did not listen to the previous speaker. He got it wrong and you are again repeating the same thing. It is a wrong answer. -5 for you. So same answers previous student has given, you know. Next.
Next is Dr. Aparna.
Yeah, Dr. Aparna. You would like to take up or you want to pass?
Hello. Pass on, sir.
Pass. Who is next?
Dr. Raghav.
Pass, sir. Pass.
Dr. Kalpana.
So anyone? So I'm just asking you openly. Any other candidate that you would like to take up who are who did not qualify for final round? So he may get surprise. He or she may get surprise gift. Anyone from the audience? There is no negative marking, so you can take up the question. Or for audience, there is nothing that you have to give us something. Is there anyone? Okay, so I'll just tell you, this is actually lung ultrasound, no doubt about it. But see, the question is that diagnosis is pleural effusion and the name of the sign is sinusoid sign, right? So in pneumothorax, you see that there has to be at least bed swing appearance for that. This is, you know, some extremely other way around. You see, this big black never happens, right? So who is the last candidate?
So do you have one more candidate for the primary question?
Yeah, last candidate.
Okay, can I show? Can I show?
Sure, no problem. Otherwise, I have one image left.
Okay, then you show. No problem.
Okay. Who is last one?
Dr. Mayur.
Yes, sir.
You are ready?
Yes, sir.
Identify this image and the author. It's very important in our day-to-day practice. That's a hint.
Sir.
Okay, next one.
Dr. Vinay.
Pass, sir.
Dr. Vinay.
Next.
Pass.
Dr. Aparna.
Pass.
Dr. Raghav.
Pass, sir.
Dr. Kalpana.
Pass. Pass.
Dr. Chandramouli.
Pass. Pass.
Dr. Cherian.
Pass, sir.
That's it, sir.
Okay, anyone from the audience? Come on, audience. The hardly left. Anyone left or what? Okay, this is actually, I'll tell you, this is an image, I mean the book, first book written by Professor Semmelweis on infection control manual. Okay, it still holds true, many parts of it still holds true as far as our day-to-day practice is concerned. All right, so I think we have finished the round as far as this is concerned.
Yes. Yeah.
So can you show up the marks, please?
Yes.
Avinash, please project the scorecard. Yeah.
It's quite a mathematical. Let me explain this. So this section is for the answer which the answer they have given, like the question they have asked, and these are for the passing marks which have they got.
So sum total निकालना है ना? Sum total. Yeah.
Sum total is this, ma'am.
No. This is round 3. Now you get the total from round 1, 2 also.
Okay.
That's how we project the final score.
Okay, sir. Give me just a minute.
Do it.
Okay.
You can stop sharing and do it and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
project.
Take your time, do it and then project. Stop sharing now.
So, friends, did you enjoy?
Yes, sir.
Before results, you can definitely say we enjoyed. There is no problem. It will not affect any of the results. Its scores are freeze now. All right. So this is the first time that we are conducting quiz online because of limitation of quiz. The main attraction is the buzzer round. Who knows the first, right? So unfortunately, we could not do it. But next time we are definitely going to do it. Thought process is in place, but because we did not get much time and there is a huge conference going on, it was slightly difficult. But we are going to get that next time. So be ready for that. So let me announce, first of all the 15 participants are going to get the complimentary registration for W4C 2022, which is going to happen at Agra. Complimentary registration. So congratulations.
So all of you are actually winners already. Baseline. Very good.
Right. So we soon will have results, but please see why we have kept some, I mean, few of the tougher. Yes, we understand there might be randomly, you might have got the tougher one. That's how, quiz is all about. If you see KBC very closely, yes, as per rating of the questions, they go. But still, it may be possible that the first question, people are out. Even maybe simplest for someone, toughest for someone else. Okay, it all depends on the knowledge and reading and encountering, whether you have encountered or not. So multiple factors do affect. So we have tried to make it as equal as possible as far as the rate of toughness of the questions are concerned. Okay, so don't worry about it. Yes, last round we had to keep tougher one because of obvious reasons that this was a final round. Images of the history is very important factor for all of us to remember, right? So we should not forget who, because of whose efforts that we have, our life is now going on a bit simple one, gazetted one, which is important part of critical care, right? So anyone wants to share anything before we get the results?
Yes, sir, I'm just calling you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also remain prepared for Criticare 2022 Ahmedabad. It's going to be a physical conference after a long gap. So all of you try to register and participate. And also we are going to have quiz there. A lot of preparation and provision for postgraduate sessions are being specifically focused on postgraduates training and their case presentations, practical tips oriented sessions are there. One hall will be entirely dedicated for the postgraduates and trainees. Try definitely join that and also register for the quiz there.
Yes, sir.
All of you actually, can you tell us where do you work and which hospital you are associated with? Dr. Abhimanyu, where do you work?
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm from Assam. I'm
Okay.
working currently as IDCCM student in Health City Hospital, Guwahati.
Okay, so you're with Dr. Reshu Gupta?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
I'm
good to know you.
And
Right.
Reshu ma'am and Brajan Lakar sir.
Yeah, and Dr. Brajan as well. Yeah, they're good friends and colleagues. Good. And Dr. Vinay, yourself?
Ma'am, I am DNB second year registrar, ma'am. Manipal Hospital, Bangalore.
Okay, and I think you are currently traveling in a vehicle?
Yeah, just now I finished my duty. I am in the
Yeah,
car.
you're not driving, right?
No, I am not driving, ma'am. I'm not driving.
Okay, good. Right. Good that you have participated. And Dr. Kalpana, would you like to introduce yourself?
Ma'am, I am a DNB first year student in Apollo Bhubaneswar. DNB Critical Care Medicine, first year.
Right. Good attempt by you. And who else is there? Dr. Chandramouli?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm doing my DM critical care in IMS and Sama Hospital, Bhubaneswar.
Okay, I think you have some another accolade to or feather in your cap also. You have won some abstract winner.
Second best paper.
Right. Congratulations for that.
Thank you.
And Dr. Raghav?
Ma'am, I'm working at AIIMS New Delhi, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes. Audible and visible, both.
Yes, ma'am. I'm working as a senior resident onco anesthesia at AIIMS New Delhi, ma'am.
Okay. So
fantastic.
Treated my DM and continuing as a non-acad SR over there, ma'am.
Okay, good that you participated in critical care quiz. Glad to see you. Good. And Dr. Ronak?
I'm IDCCM resident under Dr. Ritesh Starling.
Okay, great. Good attempt by you, Dr. Ronak. And I think anyone else? Dr. Cherian, is it there?
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Tell.
I'm also working as a DM resident in IMS and Sama Hospital with Chandramouli.
Okay. Good to see you. So participation 4 candidates from Bhubaneswar, I think. And next, Dr. Srinivas.
Yeah, hi ma'am. I am from Fortis Hospital, Bangalore.
Oh, good.
We are doing DRNB final year, ma'am.
DNB.
Yeah, DNB final year critical care.
Okay, great. Good attempt by you. And who else is left? Dr. Aparna, I think.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing my DNB critical care medicine first year training, Apollo Hospital, ma'am.
Yes, yeah. Good. It's actually about participating. That's the best spirit. And winning and losing are, just part of the game. But I think questions were quite mixed, diverse spectrum of questions were there. Tougher to simpler ones, but the images, etc., as Dr. Ritesh was telling, they're important, and mostly during like spot identification, during quizzes, these kind of questions come. And very rarely, sometimes during your practicals also, you might get one of these odd pictures. You should be having the results soon.
So before that, let us see this. What is this actually? Already, unfortunately, I projected the word one, but what is this? Anyone can say? Anyone?
The first dialysis machine, I think it was.
Who has spoken?
Sir, Dr. Mayur, sir.
Yeah, it is for the first dialysis machine. Unfortunately, I cannot give any marks or prize because unfortunately, I displayed that word file along with the answer. So it's a biased factor. But yes, it's the first dialysis machine, right?
I'm ready, sir.
Yeah, Avinash, tell me.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Please display.
Okay, sir.
So see, round 3 was eliminated because, you know, 3 people did not, who already qualified. Though those were, you know, kind of already there in the final round. So it would be unfair that we calculate round 3 question. That is in between that 9 people all around. So first 2 rounds and the final round. That's how we selected. So who got the first? Dr. Vinay? You got 30. You got the best prize. You are the winner. Congratulations, Dr. Vinay.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Dr. Vinay.
Thank you, sir.
So number 1 is Dr. Vinay. Number 2, 25 is with Dr. Abhimanyu. Dr. Abhimanyu.
Thank you, sir.
So congratulations. You are the number 2.
Thank you,
And number 3, Dr. Raghav. Where are you?
Yes, sir.
So
Thank
number
you, sir.
3 actually do have 3 prizes. So Dr. Raghav with 20 marks, Dr. Aparna for 15 marks, and Dr. Cherian with 15 marks. Okay, so there are 3 prizes for number 3. All right.
Okay.
So congratulations, you all 3 are at number 3. But Dr. Raghav tops the number 3 position. There is no doubt about it. So congratulations to all winners. Avinash, please mark like this. Yes. Okay. So you know the prizes, right? Who knows the prizes? Avinash, do you have that display of prize?
If you have the flyer, then you have known it.
Yeah.
Check.
Can you display it?
Let me just.
And Avinash, please make a summary and note of it and send it to the organizer, Dr. Rungta sir. I'll
Okay,
also
sir.
talk.
Okay, I'll set the seats.
Yeah, please. And
Dr. Kalpana and Dr. I think Dr. Chandramouli and the other doctor who also scored. Congratulations to them also, because anyway you're getting complimentary prizes. So all of you have done very well, and we actually enjoyed the sessions along with you.
Yes.
It was an exercise for all us also. And special thanks to Dr. Ritesh, Dr. Ahsan Ahmed, and Dr. Anup. I think he could not join us today for some prior commitments. Thanks to all of them for having contributed to frame the questions and coordinating and organizing all this. And thanks to the organizing team, Avinash and his fellow colleagues. And big thanks go to the organizing team, Dr. Rungta, Dr. Tyagi, Dr. Diptimala, and all others who have been putting efforts for last 3 months continuously to make this a big success. Thank
It's
you
a
all.
huge conference. It's a huge conference, and it's not a, you know, joke to, you know, it's a kind of sleepless nights you get through, you have to go through for organizing this conference. Physical is, I would say, it a bit easier rather than, you know, online, right?
Yeah, we are used to it, so this is.
Yes. And we thank organizers for, yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Sharmili and Dr. Ritesh, for organizing such a nice way that we.
Thank you.
I am stuck to it.
Ahsan also, he has contributed lot many questions. He was
Yes.
behind the scene. I think he is busy in his hospital, but he has been constantly with us in planning and proposing.
And most important, I thank organizers on behalf of all of us, because they have given us freedom whatsoever you want to conduct. And there was no pressure at all that you conduct like this and that. It's like your treat like your own baby. It was like a kind of that feeling. So I thank from bottom of my heart on behalf of all of us to organizers. So I think that's it. So you will be getting an email of, you know, the winners will get email with some, you know, footnotes. And Avinash, do you have that prize list or?
Yeah,
it's
I can
okay?
read it for you, Dr. Ritesh. I can read it.
Yeah, please,
So the
please.
first prize is cash, 11,000 rupees. So that's a huge amount. Yeah, big round of applause and congratulations. You can enjoy your weekend. And second prize is a cash prize of 5,100 rupees. Congratulations again. Great news for you. And third prizes of cash 2,100 rupees to 3 participants that we have already declared. And all the participants will be getting complimentary registrations for W4C 2022, as Dr. Ritesh has already pointed out, to be physically conducted most likely at Agra. So that is it for tonight. Thank you and enjoy your weekends.
Enjoy the night and weekend, and thank Avinash.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
For
Sorry for
bearing
the
with
flying,
us,
sir.
Thank you,
actually,
sir.
for bearing with
It's
us.
a great
also.
experience.
Ritesh sir,
Yeah, please.
sir, Gaurav Malviya, you might be knowing, no, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, he was my PG batchmate in BMC Ahmedabad.
Okay, he passed IDCCM under me actually.
Yeah, yes.
Good to know.
Yes.
Yeah, small world.
Small
So I
world.
think small world. Yeah.
Yes,
So from all
yes.
corners, we have participation. We had from East, 4 from Bhubaneswar, 1 from Guwahati, 1 from Delhi, 2 from Gujarat, or 1 from Gujarat?
One from Gujarat.
1 from Gujarat and 2 from Bangalore.
Yeah.
All corners covered.
Yes.
Truly Indian National Conference.
Yeah. Typical. Yeah.
Good to see you guys. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you for participation once again.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you,
see
sir.
you in next quiz. Okay, with lots
Yes,
of
sir.
certification, hopefully
Yes.
physical.
Bang on in
Yes, sir.
Ahmedabad. Do not forget. Bye.
Yeah.
Good night.
Yes, sir.
Dedicate 2022 at Ahmedabad, February 15 to 20.
We'll be there to welcome you all. Huh.
Yeah.
Me and Dr. Ritesh, Dr. S and Dr. Anup will be there to welcome you all. Bye for now.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Goodbye,
Good
ma'am.
night.
Good night, ma'am. Good night, sir.
Good night, sir. Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
अविनाश वो भेज देना फटाफट ग्रुप में रख दो